So last weekend, my friend Dave and I decided to check out the neighborhood yard sale. You know, just two guys looking for some hidden gems among old lamps and weird garden gnomes. We stumbled upon an old typewriter with a sign that read, "Haunted." Adds LOL to every sentence. Naturally, Dave and I were intrigued, and since the seller was practically giving it away, we bought it. That evening, we gathered a few friends to test it out, writing random sentences like, "The cat sat on the mat," and sure enough, it came out, "The cat sat on the mat." LOL. Amused, we spent hours trying to decipher its mystery messages. The local newspaper even got wind of it, dubbing it the LOL code. Eventually, my niece, Lily, confessed it was her prank. She'd rigged the typewriter for her amusement. As we laughed it off, Dave quipped, "Well,